Imagine a world where money flows into your account effortlessly. Sounds too good to be true? It's not a fantasy, it's a reality for those who know the secret. 7 secrets to be precise. We're not talking about the stuff you learned in school. No, these are the unconventional, the unpredictable, the under-the-radar methods of making money. They're not taught in classrooms, they're not found in textbooks, but they're used by successful entrepreneurs every single day. So buckle up and prepare for a journey into the unknown. Stay tuned as we unravel the 7 secrets to making money that no one taught you at school. Did you know that the stock market isn't just for Wall Street wolves? It's a playground for anyone willing to learn the ropes. The world of stocks is a fascinating universe waiting for you to dive in. It's a place where patience, research, and a bit of calculated risk can turn a modest investment into a mountain of wealth. Yes, you heard it right. It's not about gambling, it's about taking informed decisions. Imagine a young investor, let's call him John. John didn't have a degree in finance. He wasn't a Wall Street wizard, but he had something more valuable: the curiosity to learn and the patience to observe. He started small, buying stocks from companies he knew and understood. He read about them, studied their market trends, their competition, their growth strategies, and their financial health. John didn't win every time, but he didn't let his losses discourage him. Instead, he used them as lessons to refine his investment strategy. He understood that investing in stocks is like riding a roller coaster. There are ups and downs, but if you stay put, the trajectory, more often than not, is upwards. Over time, John's portfolio grew. His small investments, backed by diligent research and patience, multiplied. Today, John is a successful investor, all because he chose to dive into the world of stocks. The stock market might seem like a labyrinth at first, but once you start understanding its patterns, it becomes a treasure trove of opportunities. It's like a game of chess, where every move counts and patience often wins the game. Investing in stocks may seem like a gamble, but with the right knowledge, it's a calculated risk that can yield tremendous rewards. So, are you ready to dive into the world of stocks? Ever dreamed of owning a mansion? Well, real estate investment might just be your golden ticket. Let's dive into the potential of real estate investment. Picture this: a young, ambitious entrepreneur. Let's call him Jack. Jack started off with a modest sum, purchasing a small apartment in the city. Over the years, he renovated and leased it, and with the profits, he bought another. Fast forward a couple of decades, Jack now owns multiple properties, and his net worth has skyrocketed. But how did Jack do it? It's all about understanding the market, spotting the right opportunities, and having the patience to see your investments grow. Real estate is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term investment that requires a strategic approach. But here's the beauty of it. Regardless of the economic climate, people always need a place to live. The rising interest rates might pose challenges, but savvy investors like Jack know how to turn those challenges into opportunities. For instance, higher mortgage rates can mean fewer buyers and more renters, creating a demand for rental properties. It's also worth mentioning that real estate isn't just about residential properties. Commercial real estate, such as office buildings, warehouses, and retail spaces, can also bring substantial returns. So, what's the takeaway here? Real estate investment isn't a one-size-fits-all strategy. It requires research, patience, and sometimes taking calculated risks. But if done right, it can be a gold mine, providing a steady stream of income and long-term financial security. Real estate investment isn't just about owning a home. It's about owning your financial future. Knowledge is power, but did you know it can also be money? Imagine for a second the wealth of expertise you've amassed over the years. That wisdom, those skills, they're not just yours to keep. They're your ticket to financial freedom. Take the case of Jane, a celebrated entrepreneur. She was once a stay-at-home mom who turned her passion for home organization into a thriving online course. Jane leveraged her know-how, creating a platform for sharing her unique methods. Today, she's not just making a pretty penny out of it, but she's also helping others lead more organized lives. Or think about the countless authors who've distilled their expertise into ebooks, selling thousands of copies globally. They've turned their knowledge into a valuable commodity, and so can you. Consulting is another avenue. Are you a wizard in your field? Why not offer your services and insights to businesses or individuals who could benefit from your wisdom? When you sell knowledge, you're not just earning money, you're empowering others. So, tap into the power of knowledge because your brain might just be your most lucrative asset. Who said you can only have one job? Welcome to the era of side hustles. In this fast-paced world where the cost of living is constantly on the rise, a side hustle can be your financial lifesaver. It's about leveraging your skills, passions, and time outside your 9-to-5 job to make some extra dough. Think about it. You could be a corporate executive by day and a freelance graphic designer by night. Or maybe you're a teacher who also runs a successful Etsy shop selling handmade jewelry. The possibilities are endless, and the internet has made it easier than ever to connect with customers and clients from all over the globe. Take the story of Sarah, for instance. She was a full-time accountant, but always had a flair for baking. She started selling her homemade cookies at local farmers markets as a weekend gig. Over time, her delicious treats gained popularity, and her side hustle turned into a thriving online bakery. Today, she's left her accounting career and is earning more than she ever did doing something she truly loves, and that's the beauty of a side hustle. It's not just about the extra cash, although that's certainly a perk. It's about exploring your interests, honing your skills, and even discovering new ones. It's about creating something of your own, something you can be proud of. A side hustle doesn't just earn you extra cash, it can open doors to opportunities you never imagined. So why wait? Start exploring your side hustle options today, and who knows, your passion project might just become your full-time gig. Imagine earning money while you sleep. That's the magic of passive income. It's like having your own personal money tree, one that grows fruit even when you're not tending to it. Now, let's clear one thing up right away. Passive income doesn't mean no work. It means work smarter, not harder. Consider the story of Jane. Jane was a successful entrepreneur who knew the value of her time. She started by investing in real estate, renting out properties for a steady stream of income. Then she penned a best-selling ebook, sharing her insights and experiences, which continues to sell online without any further effort from her. Next, Jane tapped into the power of the digital world. She created an online course, again leveraging her expertise, and now students from all over the world enroll in her course, adding to her income without her lifting a finger. Jane also wisely invested in stocks and bonds. Even when she's not actively trading, her investments are growing, earning her dividends and interest. But Jane didn't stop there. She patented an innovative product, and now, every time that product is sold, she gets a piece of the pie. That's the power of royalties. Jane's story is not an overnight success. She worked hard to establish these income streams, but now they generate revenue for her passively. Her money is working for her, even when she's not working. Passive income is not just about making money, it's about making your money work for you. It's about investing time and effort up front to reap the benefits later. It's about financial freedom. And that, friends, is the magic of passive income. The most valuable asset you have is not your bank account, it's you. Yes, you heard that right. You are your greatest investment. It's not just about the money you can make, it's about the person you become in the process. It's about the skills you learn, the experiences you gain, and the way you grow. Let's take, for instance, the story of a successful entrepreneur. This individual didn't just stumble upon success overnight. They invested in themselves, continually learning and adapting, honing their skills, and pushing their boundaries. They took courses, read books, attended seminars, and sought mentorship. They understood the power of knowledge and the importance of staying ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving world. But investing in yourself isn't just about expanding your knowledge, it's also about personal development and health. It's about taking care of your body, your mind, and your soul. It's about eating right, exercising regularly, and making time for self-care. It's about understanding that you can't pour from an empty cup. You need to be in good shape, both physically and mentally, to be able to take on the challenges that come your way. So what does investing in yourself look like? It might mean taking that online course you've been eyeing, hiring a coach to help you reach your goals, or setting aside time each day for mindfulness and meditation. It could be as simple as reading a book that broadens your perspective, or as complex as going back to school for an advanced degree. Remember, Every dollar and every minute you spend on yourself is an investment in your future. It's an investment in your happiness, your success, and your financial freedom. So, don't be afraid to invest in yourself. You're worth it. When you invest in yourself, you're not just improving your life, you're enhancing your earning potential. So, there you have it, 7 secrets to making money that no one taught you at school. Let's quickly recap these gems. We dove headfirst into the world of stocks, revealing how you can ride the wave of economic trends to build your wealth. Then we uncovered the gold mine that is real estate investment, a solid asset that can generate consistent returns. Next, we explored the power of knowledge and how selling your expertise can be a lucrative avenue. We also discussed side hustles, those little ventures that could turn into big earners while giving you the freedom to work on your own terms. We unveiled the magic of passive income, the art of making your money work for you even while you sleep. And finally, we emphasized the importance of investing in yourself, because at the end of the day, you are your most valuable asset. Remember, the key to financial success isn't just about making money, it's about making smart decisions. Start today and who knows where you'll be tomorrow.